Hi guys, welcome to the Spicy Kitchen. I am Jose, and today I really want to talk about something very dear to me, which is water. I'm gonna make in one pot pasta. You don't have to waste absolutely anything. In one pot, a little bit of water. Let's go. As I said, I'm very passionate about water, and one of the things, and whoever knows me, I'm always carrying on my bottle of water. I always use tap water. Here in Toronto is absolutely fine. It really breaks my heart when I see all these people in these big stores buying plastic bottles of water. You will be saving a lot of plastic, and with just one bottle, whatever bottle you prefer, you carry around. What we decided was to make no waste, and with one pot we can actually make pasta. So that's what we are going to do right now, and ingredients are pretty easy. Definitely my pasta. I have goat cheese, I have smoked cheddar, onions, garlic, spinach, water, salt, olive oil. And I'm gonna start with olive oil. And then I chop the onions already, garlic, spinach, water. The ratio will be about 1 cup of pasta to about 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Salt. And now we wait to boil. We add it here. And now we let it cook for about 10 minutes. We already wait for about 8 to 9 minutes, and definitely you need to check with the package of your pasta. There are pastas that they take about 11 minutes. Usually what I do, I always go a minute or two less, because I really am looking for a creamy pasta. That's why I'm adding the cheese onto it. But if you are dairy intolerant, or you don't want cheese, or you don't have cheese, just simply you can eat it as is, and believe me, it's fantastic. So a little bit of goat cheese, local goat cheese, some smoked cheddar, and you just simply mix and allow it to melt. All this smoke is in front of my face. Camera cannot see me. When I added the cheese, I just simply turn off my stove, and the same heat from the pot and the pasta will melt the cheese. Wow, it's perfect. And that's it, guys. You have one pot pasta, and believe me, it is delicious. This is a zero waste recipe. Everything is in one pot. You don't have to think about anything else. It's 100% usable. Any recipes that you want me to do for you, you are interested, if you have any doubt about this recipe or any other, please let us know. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time.